have to dig deep now for this win. We know that it's not going to be easy playing Adamson. We just have to keep working hard. And as I've told the team that actually I got mad at them dahil we were up by 9 and then we gave up easy baskets before matapos yung half time. And then that was the game plan was to make sure that Adamson we will make sure that Adamson work for every point, not give them easy baskets. And as I said, we just worked for it the second half. We hung tough there. Things were not going right for us offensively at one stretch, but we got to make up with another and just playing defense. And then that's what we were waiting for. We just made 1, 2, 3 steals and then momentum is back on our side.
Ang Bonbon, maganda naman yung gawin mo ngayon. Anong masasabi mo?
Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay Manong dahil sa tiwalang binibigay niya sa akin every game, lalo na kay God at sa kuya ko. Siguro, tsamba lang. Swerte lang talaga. Kasi araw-araw sa practice, binibigay na talaga lahat ng kaya ko. Kaya pagdating sa laro, parang yun na, parang sobrang madali na lang.
3 years, 3 years. So it's got 2 more years. 2 more years.
Coach, surprise ka ba sa nilalaro?
No. No, that's it. I was expecting that because I saw what he can do. As I've said, it was my first recruit sa Pinoy last season. And we ran after him. Nakuha lang sa sofa at saka sa mami bumigay na sa akin.
Anong show pa kasama?
It came in cheap.
Coach, yung first game niya, although 17 points siya, one of the playing sa yung kabahan, yung talagang
I think it's part of it. I think it was the whole team were the first game jitters. But I think it's not just one was to work on people, it's the whole team. No? We are not really shooting well as a team free throw wise. No? I think we only shot 42 tonight. Ilan ba? Free throw 61. Medyo mataas na sa konti. But we only shot 42 in the last game. So it's the whole team that needs to work on it. And they just have to have that confidence when they step on the line. So we don't well, that's a rotation. I think I have to do time management sa mga players ko dahil with the way the brand of play that we play there is medyo tiring. No? But I know that they can do that. They can do so well. That's why it was this time to make that right substitution. I think it was even Paul, and then in the next group pumapasok si Fran and Derrick for Caballo. Dahil si Manalang was not really giving us anything today, so I had to get Fran in. So he gave us this part too. And Paul here, he's just a silent worker. No? He dives for the ball. He dives for the ball. He's the one that asks us the dirty jobs and gumagawa nun. And he can play multiple positions.
Coach, concerned ba yung medyo nakahabol yung Adamson? It's more of an inexperience for the kids.
Well, yes, no, it is. We're learning, as a team. So I kind of expected that, but what I cannot accept is that making mistakes, mental mistakes, losing our focus. Sometimes there's the tendency to run away from what we're doing, defensively and offensively, and that's what gets me. Alam nila talaga mga players when they make mistakes. Yes. Well, we have not beaten Ateneo last year. That's the only thing that we have not beaten last year. So think the boys are looking forward to the game this Saturday. I know that's going to be a big crowd. Hopefully that the two games, the two wins namin has build their confidence that they can play with other teams. And I do believe so that we can compete. You know, we just have to keep working hard, keep playing hard. We just have to keep playing our game and not nothing else.
Defensively, I think we are. Last year,